Hello, welcome to the channel. East Florida Explorer here. Sorry it's a little windy today. I'm on the beach side. And check it out. I had to get a video of what is going on here at the Flagler County, Volusia County line. It looks like they're ripping out the dunes, ripping out the palmettos right ahead. There's a strip of palmettos between the beach and A1A that's been here, shoot, probably hundreds of years. And to me, I think that's a natural buffer that saves this road from the hurricanes. But now they're ripping it out and they're gonna put a concrete seawall in here. Kind of crazy if you ask me. But I drove through here the other day and man, I saw a ton of bottles, old bottles shining on the top of the sand. And you could have just imagined if these palmettos have been here hundreds of years, whenever, the beginning of the time, I don't even know. Imagine what's in those palmettos because they are giant. Right along A1A. I don't know how far they're gonna do this putting a seawall in, concrete wall. Oh shoot, look at that. I'm sure you already know if you know. Yo, ACL Pepsi Cola. Whoa, 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 hey, yo. Dot between the Pepsi and the cola. I'm gonna take it. That's what I'm saying. That's what I was looking for. Look right here. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, look at him. And it's an ACL Coca-Cola. Oh. No city on the bottom. I'm gonna leave that guy here. He's not as special. I think this guy, this soda right here, that's pretty special. To me, I never find whole Pepsis. Usually I don't find whole Cokes either. But I never ever find a whole Pepsi Cola. Whoa, shoot, the wind is crazy. The sand is coming off, it hits me, it feels like bee stings, man. It's insane. But I just saw something at the bottom of the dune, laying on a rock. I think I'm gonna attempt it. I probably shouldn't, I'm gonna fill my shoes full of sand. Woo, woo, shoot. Whoa, man. Yeah, I filled up my shoes full of sand. But that's okay. Oh, guys, too. Oh, man, I slid down the hill for nothing, man. Nothing. I mean, it's cool. It's a liquor. And it's like a beast. It's a big liquor. I almost thought that was a cork top on it. But I had to come down the hill and check that out. Because man, that was a cork top. Whoa, 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 whoa. Changes it all. Oh yeah. I got a lot of sand in my shoes now. I don't usually wear shoes on the beach. It's kind of weird to me, but I had no idea how much broken glass was gonna be all mixed around. That would really ruin your day if you stepped on a broken bottle and it went through your foot. Wow, dude, dudes, everybody's a dude, but I'm kind of really happy I just came down to this side. Look at this. I said I was gonna come down here and walk this another time. Look at this. Coke bottle. Freaking Coke bottle in the sand, and it's embossed. It is embossed. Let's see. Is it? Let me get the camera back on it. Yep, patent office. Nothing old there. Trying to find the date. Bear with me. There it is. And it's 60. 60? Maybe a 60. Right there. But hey, man, definitely a keeper. Hold on, let's wipe the bottom. And it has no town on it. No town. So yeah, probably is a 60. Getting a little later there. Okay, so, and then I did pick up the ACL'd Coke. I don't know why. It's hard for me to leave stuff. Well, mainly Cokes. I don't know why I have such a respect for Coca-Cola. One of my favorite drinks to drink. Definitely. Oh, what we got here? Oh, just a green bottle. Nothing great. Yeah, I wasn't gonna check this side, and now since finding the better Coke bottle, shoot, it's like I got to. And there's a liquor. Oh, I'll never get up that hill. Or I will, but man, I gotta fill my freaking shoes up again. Yep, same kind of liquor bottle. It's that flasky type. All right, whoa, bear with me. Had to speed walk down the hill. I guess I'm gonna walk back this way towards my truck. If I see any more bottles, I'll definitely get them on the video. Well, I'm gonna head back up the dune. The rest of this part of the dune looks like it's been kind of put in here not too long ago. The sand looks very new. Probably from a couple years ago, the hurricanes. Whoa. Oh shoot, hold on, look at this little pile. What's this one? Oh no, man, I've never found this bottle. Oh my god, dude, what a day, what a day. Oh my god, be careful. Although he's been floating around in the salt sand and stuff forever, I don't think it's gonna hurt it. Look at that, it's a brownie root beer. ACL'd. I've never found this bottle before. Holy crap, that is awesome. Well, thanks for joining me. Hunting some bottles here on the beach side. Pretty cool. Although I don't agree with what they're doing here of ripping out all these palmettos that's been here so long, and they're like giant palmettos. But I do think it's fun to collect all the bottles and old stuff that's underneath the palmettos, so whatever. And I guess that's why they're doing it right there. You see that water? That water came all the way up to the rocks. So it's almost like the beach is disappearing here. But anyways, once again, thanks for joining me out here collecting the old bottles. Just want to make a little video. I wanted to make a short one, probably made a super long one, but I'll see you guys next time.